Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on VIVO Y200 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now go to settings and click on search engine, and here in recently visited you have yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back and your search engine is set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.